Imagine a car that blends the elegance of an S-Class, the sportiness of an AMG, and the innovation of a concept vehicle, all wrapped into a package you can actually own. Welcome to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, a car that isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Today, we're going to explore every inch of this stunning machine, from its sleek new design to the high-tech interior and the performance under the hood that makes it one of the most exciting sedans of the decade. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review of the world's most exciting cars. And if you enjoy videos like this, drop a like and let us know in the comments which feature of the 2026 C-Class blows you away the most. Right from the front, the 2026 C-Class demands attention. Mercedes has gone for a more futuristic, coupe-inspired stance with slimmer digital LED headlights that seem to pierce the air ahead. The signature three-pointed star proudly sits on the blacked-out grille, now with a star-pattern mesh design that looks like it belongs on a luxury spaceship. The lower bumper has been reshaped for better aerodynamics, and subtle chrome touches add a touch of elegance without being too flashy. The hood features sculpted power domes hinting at the performance waiting beneath. Moving to the side, you immediately notice the flowing coupe-like roofline, a clear nod to the design language of Mercedes' flagship models. The frameless windows and flush door handles give it a clean, uninterrupted look, while the 21-inch AMG-style multi-spoke wheels add a dose of sportiness. The body is sculpted with precision, with subtle creases that play with the light and shadow, making the C-Class look athletic even when standing still. This is a sedan that feels like a grand tourer in disguise. At the back, the 2026 C-Class keeps things sharp and contemporary. The LED light bar stretches across the rear, connecting the sleek taillights and emphasizing the car's width. The Mercedes emblem sits proudly in the center, and the integrated dual trapezoidal exhaust tips hint at performance without overdoing it. The rear diffuser is functional too, improving airflow and stability at higher speeds, a detail that shows Mercedes isn't just about looks, but engineering precision. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like it's from the future. Mercedes has doubled down on its MBUX infotainment system, featuring a massive vertical touchscreen that blends seamlessly with the center console. The fully digital driver display offers crystal-clear graphics, while a futuristic AR head-up display projects navigation, speed, and driving assistance info directly into your line of sight. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in customizable colors, creating a relaxing or sporty vibe at the push of a button. The Napa leather seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, while the real wood and brushed aluminum trim elevate the sense of craftsmanship. Every control is either touch-sensitive or voice-activated. You can simply say, "Hey, Mercedes," and command the car to adjust climate, play music, or find your next destination. Tech lovers will appreciate features like Level 2 semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The new AI-powered driver attention monitoring can detect fatigue and suggest a rest stop, while predictive navigation uses real-time data to adjust your route for maximum efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 C-Class offers a range of powertrains, from the refined C300's 2.0-liter turbocharged mild hybrid delivering around 295 horsepower to the more potent AMG variants that push over 400 horsepower. The mild hybrid system doesn't just boost performance, It enhances efficiency, delivering smoother acceleration while reducing fuel consumption. Paired with the 9G-tronic automatic transmission and optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the C-Class strikes a perfect balance between sporty handling and luxurious ride comfort. The 2026 Mercedes C-Class is expected to start at around $48,000 for the base C300, while fully loaded AMG line models can reach the $70,000 range. Considering the blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech, it's a package that offers serious value in the luxury sedan segment. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class the perfect luxury sedan? For many buyers, it just might be. It's stylish without being over the top, tech-packed without feeling gimmicky, and delivers performance with the refinement you expect from Mercedes. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that looks like the future and drives like a dream, the 2026 C-Class should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching.